Since humanity began studying the stars, one question remains unanswered. Are we alone? In spite of the near limitless ocean of mysteries that surrounds our night sky, we continue to this day to find wonders once thought to be impossible. Not only do those wonders uncover the possibilities of our known celestial playground, but it also helps us uncover our own planets, the secrets of the past, what we could learn today, and our possible futures. Many of the stars in our universe are suns just like our own. Orbiting around those suns are worlds with many awe-inspiring characteristics and, above all else, possibilities. Those worlds have become known as the exoplanets. On average, it's estimated that there's at least one planet for every star in the galaxy. That means there's a potential for billions upon billions of planets in our galaxy alone, many very similar to Earth. These planets outside of our home are known as exoplanets. An exoplanet is any planet beyond our solar system. Most of them, just like ours, orbit other stars. But there are some that are free-floating, referred to as rogue planets, that are untethered to any star. As of the production of this program, NASA has confirmed nearly 6,000 exoplanets out of the potential billions that we believe exist. Most of the exoplanets discovered thus far are in a relatively small region of our galaxy in the Milky Way. Even the closest known exoplanet to Earth, Proxima Centauri b, is about 4 light-years away. And some scientists believe that there are more planets than there are stars in the galaxy. Many of them almost identical to planets in our own solar system. However, some of them, while looking strangely familiar, reveal a lot about our own universe and even our own planets, really stretching the limits and the possibilities of what physics can bring us. Our first stop are the stars of these celestial shows. To us, a star, but to the planets that orbit them, it's the sun. Many have the same role as our own sun, but bringing with it many unique qualities. Some burn hotter, some glow with a different color, and some will even come in 2 packs. These qualities allow the solar systems to function as uniquely as the celestial bodies that orbit them. Orbiting around these unique suns are other planets, some similar to our own, such as the gas giants. There are different categories based on Jupiter and Neptune. They're based on characteristics such as size, density, distance from the sun, and temperature. There are super Jupiters, sub-Jupiters, mini-Jupiters, cold Jupiters, and hot Jupiters. Some look strangely familiar, yet very unique in their own way. Amongst these super Jupiters are the terrestrial planets. While we still haven't confirmed life on any of these celestial objects, many would be heaven for stargazers and astronomers. Many of these planets have wonders in their daytime and nighttime skies that photographers and armchair astrophysicists like myself would kill for. Just like the liminal spaces, a lot of these rocky planets are strangely familiar. From canyons to volcanoes, from the northern lights to the edge of the Milky Way galaxy within their night sky. These giant rocks would certainly make for a great getaway. Many are covered in sand, ice, water, and even lava. Many of these planets can give us insight into our past and even our potential future. While some are as old as time, some are just getting started. Many contain features and possibilities once thought to only exist in sci-fi novels. From rings akin to Saturn around terrestrial planets, to Mars-like planets 3 times the size of Jupiter. One type that's garnered a lot of interest amongst both the experts and armchair astronomers is the super-Earth. While little is known about these Earths, astronomers are optimistic of the possibilities. Super-Earths are defined by their mass and size. Environmental conditions generally aren't factored in. However, many of these planets are believed to have weather patterns and conditions that strongly resemble planets in our solar system, such as Mercury, Mars, Venus, and even Earth, leading some to speculate the potential for life. A super-Earth is defined as a planet that's larger than Earth, but lighter than Neptune. While some are either comprised of rock, gas, or both, many have Earth-like qualities, such as oceans, nitrogen atmospheres, and weather patterns similar to our own. One type of exoplanet that has baffled many astronomers is the ocean world, ranging in size from the Moon to Jupiter. These planets are covered in liquid. Some are chemical salt chucks, others are H2O havens. What lurks beneath is a terrifying but beautiful mystery. Time will only tell if and when we could truly understand these planets. What are the possibilities? What if the planets had life on them? What could we do? What could we find? What is there to explore? What if we could conquer these planets? What would that mean for society? Could we potentially find a second home? Or could we even become allies with another fellow Earth? What could we do with these planets? And why, at the end of the day, does it all matter? Become a channel member to hear an in-depth take on the philosophy and my perspectives on the different possibilities and what we can only dream of, and which of those dreams could be a reality.